This is Martin Smith with SDVoE. We're at ISE 2026, and I'm at the WyreStorm booth with Luca Bordjoski. Luca, you've got a really cool SDVoE display here. It looks like a 2x2 video wall. You've got a couple of other products. Can you tell us about them?
Yeah, so basically these are all top of the line AV over IP solutions. We call them NHD600s, and they run on SDVoE, of course. What makes us really different is we have, for example, NHD600 TRX, which is the transmitter and the receiver at the same time. So you send and receive 10 gig signal at once. So let's say if you have two rooms and you want to send signal between each other, you only need two devices, one in each room. Besides this copper version, we also use the fiber version if you want longer cable runs as well.
Interesting. So one of the key aspects of SDVoE is its flexibility. And so you've mentioned a couple of ways this is flexible. Number one, you've got a true transceiver, so you can go 10 gig in both directions. Also, product is available in both copper and fiber. So that's just demonstrates the true flexibility of SDVoE.
Exactly, and not just that, these units also offer things like this, where you can make multi-view within a video wall. So you don't need separate multi-view processors or something like that. Everything is handled on a single TRX unit. And now, besides those, these are kind of the standard models. We also have NHD600 TX and RX. So these are not transceivers, these are separate transmitters and receivers. Basically, they do the same thing. The only thing we removed is video wall and multi-view support. So if you want simpler single screen solutions, we got you covered.
Really cool. So from a very basic endpoint setup where you don't need full functionality, you've got this product. And if you want a full-blown transceiver,
exactly,
you've got an expanded product.
Exactly.
Very cool. So if people wanted more information about WyreStorm, would they just go to your website?
Yeah, exactly. Just go to WyreStorm.com and check it out there.
WyreStorm.com. All right. Well, thank you, Luca. Appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.